Maya, the Magus, and the Joker are one. They are 3 in 1 and 1 in 3. You are both the product and the producer. You are the creator of this universe. You have created the universe and everything in it to forget who you are and the true state you are in. I arrived to the point where I know that not I, not me, nor anyone actually exists. We are all an illusion. We are avatars for all that is, one to experience through our mind's eye. That's all. That is being typed by Avatar, knowing full well that the one is moving the fingers on the keyboard. Ego is in the proper place as the assistant only. Total surrender to unknown from Avatar perspective. The source. Call it the program controller. It wrote the script before this avatar was ever brought to holographic existence. The only sensible way to be then is to go with the flow, in the moment, without questioning, or attempt to match up what appears with labels of understanding and language. The only difference is that the source, the superconsciousness, is perfect, while I detect that to you, program controller, is a type of manipulative joker. I noticed a change in my hologram today. If you observe close enough, you will see how everyone and everything around you will modify itself depending on how you think, feel, or believe. There is no set formula, but you will begin to notice the scripting of this illusion. You'll also notice many flaws in the script. Just notice the bad acting lately of characters. It's getting more obvious. Have you seen an object appear out of nowhere in your house after you were talking about it or you wanted it? Have you seen how when you think or talk about something that it's immediately happening? I've thought about people I've not seen for years, and within moments the phone rings and it's them. I've talked about repairs that are needed in my neighborhood, finding them being repaired the next day. The list is sizable of these events that have occurred. We exist in a holographic universe, in which we are both the projection and the projector. The big dirty secret that most avatars do not realize is that they are in charge. They are forces that you will encounter that will do anything to keep you from this realization. It wants to keep you small and afraid. It is in this state of fear that it wants us. By keeping us small makes it big. Our collective illusionary culture is one of fear. This force that is causing this effect in you is raw entropy. On a subconscious level, you perceive nature's tendency to disorder as the drive to keep you in fear. Realization of your true self is a highly ordered thing. Entropy is the opposite. It is the path to being suppressed, subjugated, randomized. You are the teacher, student, chair, blackboard, and truant officer. Time is an illusion, a structure formed by the illusion to confuse you, to impose false boundaries of what is possible and what is not. We are all one consciousness experiencing the universe in our own unique yet similar way. Everything that has ever been or ever could be comes from you. You are more than your avatar. You are everything, believing you are small. Believing that all that you are is a mix of minerals and metals, which formed in the heart of a supernova, is what entropy wants. This drive to disorder is what you perceive as pain, suffering, war, distrust, all the things that make us small. These things do not really exist. It is a construct you are creating every minute of every day. Realize that you are the one, and don't play the Joker's game. Is the source God? No, not any more than you are a god. No angels, no devils, and no gods. To say the source is one of our gods is part of the control structure. Believe in the one, not some other avatar's idea of the one. What is, what was, and what can be is you. A god or king denotes a kingdom or domain. You are the king, kingdom, and domain. No one to rule over when you are everything that is or ever was. The Joker wants to make you small and powerless, the opposite of what true freedom is. If you have not reached nirvana and your true potential, it is not because of situations, people, or luck. The only reason you are not exactly what you want to be is the belief in your own limitations. You have no limitations. You are infinity. Express your prime. What you believe is real is your only and true prison. You have the key. You always have. Disconnect from your reality and realize your grandeur. Unplug from what limits you. You have the power. You just have to believe it. Belief makes your reality and all realities. Don't play the Joker's game. It has no real power other than what you give it. Maya, the Magus, and the Joker are one.